dropping produces energy. So if I drop my body weight into my skeletal structure and my joints, the energy field is going to glow. You can get a momentary pulse of vitality. But if I do this, zero. My bones don't glow, my joints don't radiate, nothing happens. This, it happens. So you've got to drop first, and if you need to follow forward, you can. But get your drop, your compression into the bones, into the joints, so you get that Christmas tree light up effect through the system. So that dropping power is a key to issuing power. Now, you'll notice most masters who are demonstrating this sort of stuff online, they try and hide it. They'll lock the back leg a little bit and they'll just bridge their structure and tighten their structure up. So like they're almost locking to produce the gin. So they're connecting and then very subtly dropping their body weight into their joints without a big drop. It hides what's happening. It's the same phenomena, but it's just hidden. So what I want you to do is really emphasize, drop the hip, stretch your spine, and produce the power. There's a simple exercise you can do to develop that, where you vital breathe. You can be in a neutral stance or a back stance. Breathe the vital energy in through the pores, fill your body like a balloon, drop the hip, stretch your spine, and then vibrate the energy out at that moment of pulse for about 3 seconds, and then go back to the ball. Now, if you're unfit, you're going to have to vital breathe, for 3, 6, or 9 breaths. If you're an athlete like Dave over there, you're just going to be pumping it out left and right all day, and you'll be fine. So it'll depend on your cardiovascular fitness. Vital breathe, expand like a balloon, drop, and then fire the energy out. 3 seconds, you keep everything connected between your hand and your foot, stretching and vibrating the energy out. If you go longer than 3 seconds, there's a risk of depleting your vitality, that you'll give out more energy than you brought in. So you have to feel this balance as I'm bringing this much vitality in, I'm dropping the hip, stretching the spine, putting it into the bones, and then vibrating it back out. How much I bring in is how much I put out. If I put out more than I bring in, you're going to get exhausted, depleted, and the rest of the day going, why don't I have any energy? Because that metabolized energy burns it up. Okay, so find a balance for this exercise. Jump on your feet, just a few minutes of practicing this one, and then we'll go back to the exercise we were doing before. Breathe in.